Hey Crafty Hackers, in this video, it's gonna be all about arts and crafts. For this one, we're going to make a toothpaste stress ball. First, you need to fill up your balloon with toothpaste. This one takes quite a technique. If the toothpaste doesn't go in completely, you can just press it down with a straw. Once you've filled up your balloon, you can insert it into a net and tie up the net just like this. Once you've filled up your balloon, we decided to insert it into a net to give it some color and texture. But you can decorate however you want. Now tie it up with an elastic and cut the end. Perfect! It works so well! Now we are going to show you a way to decorate your mason jar. You can choose any animal that you want and stick it onto the lid of your mason jar with hot glue. We decided to spray it with gold paint, but you can choose whichever color that you want. We're just fancy like that. Now, let it dry. Make sure you spray it with multiple layers. And then let it dry. I mean, how nice is that? You can really stick anything that you want onto the lid. So we decided to stick 3 glue sticks together. Now we are going to create our own screwdriver. All you need is a screw, a syringe, and hot glue. For this hack, you're going to need some patience. You need to fill up the whole syringe with hot glue and then stick your screw into the hot glue. Now, let it dry. It's so solid. I mean, this works perfect, and it's really solid. Now, we're going to make our homemade coaster. The first thing you need to do is cut a piece of wax paper and trace the shape of a glass. Once you've done these steps, once you've traced the circle, We added some rocks, but you can add whatever decoration you want. And for this hack, you're gonna need a lot of glue, so we decided to stick 3 glue sticks together. Now glue the whole circle and inside, so that all the rocks sticks together. There you go, you have your brand new coaster. Is your pencil missing his eraser? Well, no problem. All you need is to cut a small piece of your glue stick. And with hot glue, you just stick it where the eraser is supposed to be. Like this. Wait a couple of minutes before using it, just to make sure that your brand new eraser is solid. Just try it, it works pretty okay. In this hack, we are going to create our plastic kite. In this hack, we are going to create our own plastic kite. All you need is any plastic bag and 2 long straws. Stick the first straw horizontally and add some tape to make sure the straw is very solid. Now you can do the same with the vertical straw. Don't forget the tape. Now, draw a line to connect all the straws together. It resembles the shape of a diamond. Now cut the bag where you draw your diamond. I'm not the best cutter in the world, but I'm sure yours is gonna be way straighter than mine. To make it even more solid, you can add a wire. So tie it up in the middle of your 2 straws, and you can make as many knots as you want. Cut off the excess, and there you go! Your brand new homemade kite. You want to watch a movie on your phone but it keeps on falling? Well, why not use some glasses? Everybody has a pair of glasses laying around in their house. So how easy is it? So it's super easy. A 2-second solution. Now let's create our homemade coaster. All you need are multiple popsicle sticks. We used the regular brown ones, but you can use colored ones. On the first layer, stick them side by side with hot glue. And with the other layer, stick them on the opposite side with hot glue. And there you go. Now decorate it however you want. Hey Crafty Hackers, if you liked our video, press the like button and press subscribe. See you next time!